A Bingo Cache update can temporarily break the app even if it worked perfectly the day before. Problems like crashing, freezing, missing tournaments, login failures, or endless loading screens often happen because the new version conflicts with cached files, device settings, or server-side changes. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest steps to figure out whether the problem is on your phone or on Bingo Cache's side, and how to get the app working again. Start by completely closing Bingo Cache instead of leaving it running in the background. Open it again after a few seconds. If the issue continues, restart your phone. A fresh restart clears temporary system processes that may have become unstable after the update. Next, confirm you're actually running the latest version. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android, and check whether another update is already available. Developers sometimes release a quick follow-up patch shortly after a buggy update. If you're already on the newest version, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If Bingo Cache works on one connection but not the other, the issue is probably network-related rather than caused by the app itself. Now clear the app's temporary data if you're using Android. Open Settings, go to Apps, find Bingo Cache, open Storage, and choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your account. On iPhone, there isn't a separate cache button, so uninstalling and reinstalling the app is usually the closest equivalent. If tournaments, rewards, or account information are missing after the update, don't immediately reinstall the app. First, sign out if the option is available, then sign back in using the same account. Many missing data issues are simply account synchronization problems. Another smart step is checking whether other players are reporting the same issue. If lots of users started experiencing crashes or login failures right after the update, the developers are likely already working on a server-side fix. In that situation, waiting for the next patch is often the only solution. If nothing works, reinstall Bingo Cache from your device's official app store and sign back into your account. Then contact Bingo Cache support with your device model, operating system version, app version, and a screenshot of the error if one appears. Those details make it much easier for support to identify the problem. To recap, restart the app and your phone, install the latest update, clear temporary files, test a different network, and contact support if the issue continues after reinstalling. Try those steps in order because they solve the majority of update-related problems without much effort. If this guide helped you fix Bingo Cache, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple app fixes and troubleshooting guides.